Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I received the new package from DHL because I ordered the aviation tag of a DHL 757 2 days ago, and it just took 2 days to get to me. I think it was via the airplane because it departed from Cologne and made its way to the south of Germany where I live. So I already have one A340-600 Lufthansa aviation tag. For those who don't know what the aviation tag is, it's a part of an aircraft which is scrapped, and the company called Aviationtag built some new aviation tags of it. So those are for baggages. Those are just tags which you can put on your key, or on your keyring, or on your baggage. And yeah, I ordered a 757 aviation tag, and I want to do a small unboxing to show you how it looks. And yeah, let's start with the video. I hope you enjoy it. How does that get up? Easy open strip. Calls there easy open strip. Never received a package like this before. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's the bill for me, and there it is, our aviation tag. Hope you can see it. Yep. Wow, that looks nice. I hope the focus is well enough. This is a real part of an aircraft. That plane was scrapped. I think I already searched for that plane on planespotters.net. If you don't know this website, I will put the link in the description. And on this website you can search every plane registration, and there you can have a look on the history of an airplane. So which airlines the plane flew for, and how its status is, or for example if it is still flying, or if it is already scrapped. And that plane is already scrapped because this plane has the serial number 89. I don't know, I think the registration should be on here on that aviation tag. It was the Delta Alpha Lima Echo Hotel, and this plane has the serial number 89. Flew for DHL for 16 years. It was originally delivered to British Airways in the 80s, and after 33 years DHL decided to retire that plane, and now it's scrapped. It's not already fully scrapped, but it's in the process, I think, and it's standing currently in Europe, I think in Spain. I don't know the actual airport name, but for those who are interested, it's standing in Spain. And yeah, I think it's nice to have for every aviation geek. Focus, hopefully. Come on, please focus. Something crazy with my camera, the focus. Okay. That's how we can work. Yeah, that's better. Has some details on. And there's also something, I hope I can show you that. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, you can see this. Make someone happy. If you lose this tag, you can see here. Found this tag, make someone happy, aviationtag.com return. I think you can send an email to the company that you found an aviation tag, and that's nice for the person who lost it, because those aviation tags are I wouldn't say expensive, but those are, I think, might cost 33 euros with express delivery. But for aviation geeks, it's worthy. So I think I would be very sad if I would lose this tag. So it's a nice possibility to get it back to the owner of the tag. And yeah, what to show left? On the back there is a metal. It's a small rope for putting it on a baggage. Okay guys, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tell me in the comments if you already have Aviation Tag 2. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next videos. As always, good night.